Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Blindbox by Boo. In today's video we're going to unbox a Sunny Angel from the Sweet series. So let's see what we could get. These are the ones I want. I want the pancake, the strawberry cheesecake, the popcorn, the pudding and nothing else. So let's see. Here's the question of the day. What is your favorite sweet treat or candy? Write it down in the comments. And if you want to support my channel, please leave a like, comment and subscribe if you want. So it feels really weird, I guess. What could it be? It could be the ice cream or the cream puff or the pancake. I don't know. My first guess is the ice cream. And it's white, so maybe it is the ice cream. And it's the ice cream. He's so cute. I really love him.